In this video, I will show you how to use the Venus decentralized finance protocol to earn up to 44% annual yield on your crypto tokens, and how you can earn free Venus tokens at the same time. If you're interested in letting your crypto earn passive income for you on autopilot and without paying expensive Ethereum transaction fees, then this video is for you. Venus is a decentralized smart contract application on the Binance Smart Chain where you can lend and earn interest on various cryptos and stable coins. If you are familiar with Uniswap, MakerDAO or other DeFi platforms on the Ethereum blockchain, then Venus will be nothing new. You can also borrow against your collateral, while saving a ton of money on transaction fees. You will need a MetaMask wallet to interact with the dApp, so connect your MetaMask wallet first. If you don't know how to connect MetaMask to the Binance Smart Chain, check out the MetaMask video tutorials on my channel. The first thing we see after connecting to the Venus platform is the supply market on the right, where we can pick the token to earn interest on. There are different coins, and the interest rates change all the time, depending on the balance. Stable coins like DAI, BUSD and USDT earn the highest interest, so you may want to stake these coins to make the most of Venus. If we flip this little button here, you will notice that the yield percentage changes. That's because if we remove the XVS option, we don't receive our interest in Venus tokens and we get a lower payout. When enabled, the percentage goes up again. You choose how you want to get paid out. I like to collect extra Venus tokens while staking my crypto, so I leave the Venus interest option on. Remember that all these tokens are not the native assets. They are the wrapped tokens on the Binance Smart Chain. You cannot send BNB, SXP or ADA from here to your Ethereum MetaMask or MyEther wallet. These tokens are wrapped to make them move much faster on the Binance Smart Chain, so you need to send them to your BSC wallet or address. Now let's supply some BUSD to the contract and hit the BUSD token link. A pop-up window will appear, and we will need to approve the token first before we can supply it. Hit the Enable button and pay the small transaction fee in MetaMask. Since I already supplied some BUSD, I don't need to approve it again. I am now asked how much BUSD I want to deposit. Enter the exact amount, or use the max button to deposit everything in your wallet. Don't forget that if you deposit BNB, you don't want to enter the maximum amount, because you need some BNB to pay for the gas fees. I will deposit another 100 BUSD. When I put in the amount, you will see the borrow limit go up and I can now borrow more tokens from the platform because I have more collateral. Here is the supply and distribution yield percentage. The distribution percentage is the amount of Venus coins that we will receive. Venus coins are given to users who lend or borrow tokens from the platform to reward them for using the dApp. Next is the available VI limit, but that's not of importance right now. The borrow limit is the total amount of money that I can lend or borrow after depositing my tokens, and the borrow limit that I've already used comes here. Let's hit the supply button and confirm the small transaction gas fee in MetaMask. Now we have supplied some more BUSD to the protocol, and these tokens will instantly start earning interest, plus the extra Venus tokens. We can now turn our supplied coins into collateral. Flip this button over, and pay the small gas fee in MetaMask. When the transaction is completed, we can borrow tokens from the borrow market. There's a huge list with Binance Smart Chain tokens that you can pick from, but for this demonstration let's select DOT. Another pop-up will appear. This is the yield percentage that we need to pay for taking out this loan, but there's also a distribution yield. This is the percentage of free Venus coins that we get when we borrow on top of supplying our crypto. So we earn in two ways here. Once when we supply crypto to the Venus dApp and another time when we borrow crypto. Here's the borrow balance and the borrow limit. You always want the borrow limit to be safe, around 40 to 50%. If the borrow limit is too high, there's a chance that we get liquidated, so it's important to keep an eye on the borrow limit. Let's borrow some DOT now. We need to enable DOT first with our MetaMask wallet, and pay a gas fee. When done, we will have the DOT sitting in our borrow balance. We can now trade or swap the DOT on another platform, or do whatever we want with it. Repaying the borrowed DOT is simple. Select the Repay Borrow option, click how much you want to repay and repeat the MetaMask transaction process. That's pretty much how Venus works. Use the vote link to see how much Venus tokens you have earned and to collect the Venus tokens to your MetaMask wallet. The XVS page shows the daily market distribution that's going on. The Market tab gives us an overview of the total supply and borrow percentages, the liquidity in the protocol, and the price of the token, and the transaction history is where all the latest transactions are shown. There's also another way to earn from Venus, and that is by minting VI tokens. VI is the stable coin created by Venus, and just like DAI or BUSD, it's also pegged to the US dollar. However, at this moment, the VI minting function has been disabled, so we can't use it right now. If you check later, it may be active again, and then you can use the vault to stake your VI and make even more profits. Of course, all of this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before you invest in crypto. Thanks again for watching my video to the end, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the beautiful bell to get all my latest videos first. Have a great day.